Barangay. Kabog-kabog. Our fourth and last candidate will move on to the next round. It's none other than San Jose.
Hindi pa nakasali.
And to complete our last and our top 5 this year in Chantalanga, it's none other than Miss.
Ano, earn.
Miss.
Ibayo.
Ano ibayo? Yung ibayo. Bago sila. Miss. Sigaw ka lang.
Baby!
Bago sila. Dalang na. Miss.
Miss, bagong sila. Maganda talaga. Maganda pala may candidate diyan.
Yan ko lang sa ano na kami. Anong tawag doon? Isolation booth.
Nag-bluetooth ba ta?
Para yung tanong sa... Wala. Ano?
What is the essence of being... Yan. Ano ba ito? Gay ba yan, babae?
Babae!
Babae ba?
Babae!
What is the essence of being mutya ng balangan?
Sorry.
No, Virgin.
Nakaupo talaga.
Well,
Virgin.
first of all, I want to squeeze our judges
Yes.
and our audience,
Audience and family. Huh?
friends,
Relatives.
classmates,
Compliments.
teachers,
Lahat